What's up, everyone? Back online, and just with a quick update with CloudToken, the deposits that we have done here into their bot. So stay tuned. We'll dive straight into it right now. All right. Here we are. We are going to go through the CloudToken deposits and what's going on here, right? And just a quick update for the CloudToken. Here is the TradeSpot channel, pretty new channel that we've created in order to instruct everybody on the trading bots and passive income opportunities that they offer. All right, so we have a bunch of videos here, guys. Make sure to go through them. Have some nice opportunities here. Just a quick update on those opportunities. Before that, please click subscribe and hit the bell so you can have the most recent updates that we give. Okay, so let's go straight into it. The Forex Auto Trading Bot, it's stopped. It's not trading. I just sent an email to the support today, right now, and let's see how it goes. How many days they answer. That's why I like to trade and to use the bot before I announce anything, and that I refer you guys to these programs. So let's see how it goes, how many days the support takes to answer us. Those are all valid and important informations if you're going to go with those guys. Okay, so this is on this round. We are waiting for the answer. I just sent it today, and let's see if the bot returns. Futures trading, I'm not trading these days. Been busy with the hospitals and exams and all these things, so no live trading, no manual trading for me now on the futures side. But I may be uploading a video that I've done during the weekend about this SWA of Bitcoin. We had nice opportunities trading Bitcoin on these past days. Okay, I will show you guys. Okay, another chain, we are on a hold for T-Rex pool because of the hack into Binance. Since Binance closed their withdraw and deposits, T-Rex can't do much, right? Or Rex for that matter. So we are waiting for Binance to restore normal operation, and I think that Nova will announce the new date for the launch of T-Rex pool. We are all waiting. This is going to be a very nice thing. For Dropio is still waiting for Jade, the bot that we will be trading straight from the Binance account too. Very interesting robot. But I have the money there on Binance waiting. But the free users, in my case, it's going to be liberated for use only on the 20th. So we have to wait till this day so we can update you guys and make another video on Dropio. Okay. CloudToken is today. We made some deposits there. We entered the Jarvis AI. That is the name of their bot, the auto trading bot. So we are going to go straight into it just after those updates here. FX trading, today I managed to request directly on the website for them to remove my 2FA authentication, and I'm still waiting for their answer. We are on hold too. You see several opportunities on hold. That's why you have to diversify. Always diversify your risk, diversify your platforms. Enter in several. Okay. So FX, we are on hold, waiting for them to liberate my account so I can go in there and make a withdrawal, and I will show you guys how to do the withdrawal and everything. Okay. So waiting for FX trading. The arbitrage, you see, I've seen prices going up a bit. It's nice. Let's hope we get to at least $1 soon. Okay, so we can make the pegged price on ABOT similar to the trading, and we can once again start to have some profits from this platform. So still waiting on the prices. But yeah, I one thing that I decided to do today was to remove my reinvest setup. So now I'm accumulating ARB tokens, waiting for the price to go up. Okay, so those were the updates that I wanted to give you guys. Let's go to have a look at CloudToken now. Okay, so here we are on this emulation program that I have. Remember BlueStacks? You install BlueStacks, then you come here and you go to the CloudToken website, download the Android setup exec file, okay, and you drop it here. Once you drop it here, it will install itself. It's pretty autonomous. Okay, so yeah, here we are, and here's our projects. So you go into projects. This is Jarvis, our trading bot here for CloudToken, and as you can see here, we have $637 into the bot, and this is trading. They're going to pay me 6 up to 12% per month. But the most important thing here for me is to accumulate CTO coins for the future. This project in 10 months can be a monster. So if I hold the tokens now, I can make a lot of money. And remember, I did deposit here on May 15th, 13th, sorry. And in 30 days, I'll be able to withdraw this value without any fees, without anything. This is a normal wallet. Remember, nobody's getting hold of your money or anything. If I decided to take out this money before the 30 days, I'll pay I think it's a 10% fee. Okay, so much less than the other platforms, but I don't intend to mess around with this in the next 30 or even 180 days. So I'll leave this bot doing its job, that is trading with my money. So this is where we are. Okay, we have the money here, and we have Jarvis trading for us. We are waiting for our first round so we can see how much we have earned. Okay, and yeah, let's see how many CTOs I will get from this Bitcoin. This is what we have, the transaction history, so I can show you guys what we have been doing. bit slow, but yeah, we are going to. So do you remember, guys, right? You install the CloudToken, then you come here and deposit. Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever coin you want. So yeah, this is what happened. I made the first deposit here and I dragged everything inside Jarvis. They have a transfer fee, very small one. Again, I did a second deposit and transferred everything into Jarvis. And this is the participation fee that they will charge you. Okay. Oh, sorry. This is the deposit that, into Jarvis, and this is the transfer fee. I was looking and said, wow, those fees are wrong. But yeah, look, this is the transfer fee, and this is the deposit, the participation into Jarvis. This is the amount that I'm participating. Okay. So yeah, this is it, guys. You see that it's a simple wallet, but it's a super wallet. Okay. We are waiting for some new announcements from them as well. Let's have a look here. CloudToken. It's yeah. Okay. This is a channel created by King of Homo, my dearest friend. Have been helping me with some issues, and this is my sponsor on several projects. Follow this guy, know his videos. It's very nice to have someone with this knowledge on the industry. Okay, so this is it, guys, for CTO. You see that they have some big events here. I forgot to show you guys these. They just had a big event in South Korea, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, you see, they are going to be big, guys. You know, I'm investing now and accumulating CTOs. You know, because in a few months, this project is going to be really big, and we are going to see prices going up, and up. So this is what we want. Okay, to see. All right, guys, keep an eye on CloudToken. Remember to only invest the money that you are not going to use. You know, every investment in crypto is always a risk. Anything can happen in crypto. Remember that. Please remember that. Never invest more than you can afford. Okay. If this is some side money that you have no use for it, then you invest. Okay. Never invest your rental money or your family commitments money. You know. Be aware of that. Okay. Yeah. Here we are. Oh yeah. And my friend King Fumo. All right, so that's it, guys. I'm going to stay here for now. We see you guys on the next video. It's always a pleasure to have you here. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell and hit the like buttons on my videos too if you like the content. I promise to do better and better. I know that I'm new to this, and so, but okay, I will try to evolve and do better things for you guys and bring more value to the table, and always bring you new opportunities. And with our TradeSpot channel, we gain a few subscribers. Thank you very much for this. I'm really happy for all you guys here, and that's why we're always been doing videos almost every day to update you guys on everything that we have. Okay, so thank you very much. It's a pleasure to have you here, and I see you guys on the next video. See ya.